You have paid me and you have hired me as a parenting coach, and even your wife, and we all together are in this journey. What made you do that? To pay and hire a parenting coach while I was a stranger for you. You did not know me, you just trusted me, and you paid me a good amount. So, and your wife is also, you two are together with me, and we are creating parenting, power parenting. So, what made you do that? What made you take this decision?
No, because I spend very little time at home. Mostly I'll be at office, but as the two are in the two different dimensions of the family, though they are bonding each other, but they quarrel each other. And by the time I come from office and all those things, the environment will be different. So I do not want. It's nothing but everyone need to understand everyone, and we